Hey, so if you're thinking about using ClickUp, but you're not fully sure if it's actually worth your time and money in 2026, this guide is going to help. I'll walk you through how to decide step by step based on how you really work. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Once the site loads, log in using your email address and password. After signing in, you'll land inside your workspace, and yeah, this is where you can test things before fully committing. Now, the first question to ask yourself is simple. What do you actually need? If you only want a basic to-do list, ClickUp might feel like too much, but if you want tasks, deadlines, docs, team collaboration, and automation in one place, that's where ClickUp starts to make sense. Next, use the free plan properly, create tasks, set due dates, use statuses like to do and in progress, and try different views such as list, board, or calendar. If these features already make your day more organized, that's a good sign. Then think about collaboration. If you work with a team, invite a few members and try assigning tasks, leaving comments, and tracking progress. If communication becomes clearer and you stop chasing updates, ClickUp is adding real value. Another big factor is automation. If you repeat the same steps every day, simple automations can save a lot of time. Try automating status changes or notifications and see if it reduces manual work. Also, consider dashboards and tracking. If seeing progress, deadlines, or workload in one place helps you make better decisions, that's another reason ClickUp may be worth it. Don't forget integrations. If you already use tools like Google Drive or Slack, connecting them with ClickUp can reduce app switching and keep everything centralized. Finally, compare the cost with the time you save. If ClickUp helps you work faster, stay organized, and avoid mistakes, then yeah, it's probably worth it. And that's basically it. Deciding if ClickUp is worth it comes down to how much value it adds to your workflow. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step ClickUp guides. I'll see you in the next one.